This is quite the interesting find here. We got a 2012 F150 here, repairing the bottom of the bedside, and something just doesn't quite look right with this body line. Yeah, whole thing is full of Duraglass. Someone attempted to repair it. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. This is the kind of thing that we run into all the time, but you can see the body filler starting to crack here. About a 1/4 inch of body filler or Duraglass, and this body line is not even close to being pushed down where it needs to be. So I'm going to replace this whole section. I do have my replacement section here. They do actually sell this part aftermarket, so that whole section is going to get replaced all the way to the spot welds on each side, and it will get sectioned in somewhere right in here. All right, I've got that cut out. Now I'm gonna fit up the new piece here and section it in somewhere like that. I'm gonna go through here and scribe my mark, get my edges lined up, and then I'll start welding this piece on. All right, got it all welded up. Starting to do the fill work now. We'll put a thin layer of Duraglass down in, just in case there's any pits or anything in the welds that I may have missed. That Duraglass is waterproof, and it will prevent it from rusting. Along with that, we will be spraying some undercoating and steam sealing the edges.